Why settle for mediocrity when you can build a high-performance PC that not only meets, but exceeds the demands of today's tech-driven world? Whether you're gaming at ultra settings, creating content, or tackling intensive applications, having a powerhouse of a PC isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Diving into the heart of this beast. The processor chosen is the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X3D. At roughly $700, this CPU is a titan in its own right, offering exceptional multi-threaded performance. It's perfect for those who demand top-tier capabilities for gaming and productivity tasks alike. This processor doesn't just keep up, it sets the pace. Next, the graphics powerhouse, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090. For an approximate price of $1,600, this GPU is the crown jewel of graphics cards, delivering unmatched performance in both gaming and professional applications. It's designed to handle the most graphically intensive games and software without breaking a sweat. For the motherboard, the Asus ROG Crosshair X 670E Hero is a match made in tech heaven. Priced around $600, this board isn't just about connectivity and speed, it's about pushing limits with superior overclocking abilities and cutting-edge features. Memory is critical, so included in this build is the G.Skill Trident Z5 RGB 64GB of DDR5 6000 RAM. At around $500, this RAM doesn't just keep up, it excels, ensuring seamless multitasking and handling of heavy applications with ease. Storage solutions include the Samsung 990 Pro 2TB NVMe SSD, priced at approximately $300. It offers rapid load times for games and applications. Complementing this is the Seagate IronWolf Pro 10TB HDD for around $350, providing ample space for files and backups, ensuring you're never in need of storage. Power is supplied by the Corsair AX 1600i, a 1600-watt PSU with 80+ titanium efficiency. At around $600, it's built to handle the most demanding setups, ensuring stability and efficiency. The chassis hosting these components is the Lian Li PC-011 Dynamic XL Roger Certified, which costs about $200. It's spacious, promotes excellent airflow, and boasts a stunning aesthetic that complements any setup. Cooling is managed by the NZXT Kraken Z73 RGB 360mm AIO, costing about $280. This isn't just cooling, it's a statement with customizable RGB and a display. Additional airflow is supported by the Corsair LL120 RGB fans, ensuring the system remains cool under pressure. Operating this machine is Windows 11 Pro, optimized for the latest hardware and priced around $140, providing a smooth and efficient user experience. Visuals are displayed on the LG UltraGear 38GN950B, a 38-inch curved gaming monitor that costs about $1,600. Its ultra-wide, high-refresh rate screen offers immersive gaming and productivity. Input devices include the SteelSeries Apex Pro keyboard and Logitech G Pro X Superlight mouse, priced around $200 and $150 respectively. These are pinnacle in customization and performance, ideal for gaming and professional use. Finally, the auditory experience is provided by the SteelSeries Arctis Pro wireless headset, around $330, known for its high-quality audio and comfort during long sessions. Totaling an estimated cost of about $8,670, this build leaves room for further customization or future upgrades, ensuring that the PC not only meets current needs but is also future-proof. This isn't just a computer, it's a powerhouse, designed to push boundaries and exceed expectations in every task it undertakes. Whether you're gaming in 4K, editing high-resolution videos, or managing complex simulations, this PC build stands ready to elevate every experience.